to Mustangs by Matt. Today we're going to be installing the strut tower brace that we picked up from a recent trip to the parts farm. Today I have a special guest in the cave helping me to install this part.
Hello, hey everybody, my name is Arch, and I'll be helping him tonight.
Yeah, this is my son. This is one of his first times on camera. We're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to show you the tools and parts you're going to need to get the job done. Alright everybody, so these are the tools and parts you're going to need. You're obviously going to need a strut tower brace.
And you're also going to need lock washers and lock nuts.
Now the thread on this is M10 by 1.5.
This is a panel remover.
Mm-hmm.
You're also going to need a flathead screwdriver. Right. A 1/4-inch ratchet, a 3/8 ratchet.
Yep.
A torque wrench.
Mm-hmm.
An 8 mil
Socket.
An 8 mil socket.
Yep.
A 15 mil socket.
Mm-hmm.
And a 17 mil socket. And that's all you're gonna need.
Now, we're using the 17mm socket because we couldn't get the original factory nuts for the driver's side. If you have the original factory nuts, you can get them, then you'll only need the 15. But that's what we have, so that's what we have to work with. So we're going to go on and we're going to get started on the car. First step is to remove this battery terminal clamp that's on this stud right here, because this is where the bracket is going to, or the brace is going to be installed. So we're going to try to use this, and we're going to use the panel removal tool if this doesn't work. Okay, excellent. Now I'm going to have my helper remove these two nuts. Okay, so now we have to remove the battery terminal so we can get enough access to install this. Lock washers and lock nuts. Now you torque it to 41 foot-pounds. So that was the installation of the Ford Performance Strut Tower Brace for the 2015 and up Mustang. It's a really simple installation. If you have the right tools and the parts, it's only going to take you about 5 minutes. You'll be back on the road in no time. If you're looking for something else to watch, we recently did an installation of the Turbo Smart wastegate actuator by Tune Plus on this car, and it massively improved the performance. It's much smoother. It's a much better car to drive. I highly recommend you watch that video, and that's it. So thanks for watching. Like, share, all those things. Be safe, have fun, and God bless America.